Hi there, this video is called Live. Heavy, intense snow blizzard, weather forecast, Woking, UK 2021. If you like this video, please my thumbs up. Time at the moment in digital at the moment is 15:15 p.m. in the afternoon. In our lot that is 3:15 p.m. in the afternoon, and it is the 8th of February 2021, guys. So I'm out and about around Woking out right now, just in the outskirts of Woking town, just in Gosford Park at the moment. If you see on the left side of the screen, you can see some snow coming down from the sky. It is very heavy, guys. Behind you can see it from the sky up there. This is quite intense snow, guys. There'll be a covering of snow by tomorrow morning across the county of Surrey, especially over Woking town locally. I'm not joking. I'm always 85% right about the weather across the UK. I did predict this, guys. The snow was going to come earlier on this morning across the town of Woking locally and across the UK locally. This is quite intense snow. You can see on the left side of the screen behind me. This is really intense snow blizzard, guy. Yeah, it's a snow blizzard. It's a beast from the east, guys. You've got an easterly wind, no good for man and a beast. And it's usually the wrong type of snow to build a snowman. It might be, I don't know, but it's not the right type of snow to build a snowman. It's the right type of snow to go sledging and go skiing on. So if you like this video, I'm me out in the cold, freezing double-zero temperatures today. It's a high of about -7 Celsius out here, with the heavy snowflakes clean down behind me. Believe me, thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, where the force be with you always, quite by spot, and the needs of the many, that weary the needs of few. Enjoy the beautiful background. Gosford Park in the snow around Woking town right now. This is intense snow, guys. I'm not joking. You have been warned. Take care on those rides. It's going to be very snowy and icy tomorrow, especially if you're a key worker travelling to work tomorrow. Please, my thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Smile, be happy. Don't let the lights get down. Bye, everyone. Bye.